Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another article here. 3 top penny stocks for 2022. One of these I've talked about. The other 2 I haven't talked about so much, but they are kind of interesting. So this 3 top penny stocks for 2022. And as their name implies, penny stocks are stocks that trade below $1 per share. However, in a broader scope, the term can also refer to stocks trading below $5 per share, so it just depends how you look at it. And there's some penny stocks that I've talked about that are just a couple cents, a couple, some are 5-10 cents. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. So among the benefits of penny stocks, investors can buy large quantities of them with a little money and can generate large valuations quickly due to their high volatility and generally little Wall Street coverage. However, be aware that penny stocks also represent an investment considered high risk because it is very much based on speculation. Below we list some companies with good potential in their markets that currently have a share price below $5. So first one, here I've talked about this one quite a bit here on the channel on Sundial. Sundial Growers, ticker SNDL. Worth $0.50 or 50 cents. Sundial enjoys enormous popularity among Reddit users because of its MJ-oriented business. And like I said, I've talked about this one numerous times. Needs to get back up above $1. It's needed to get there. I think they got another extension. I don't know when it's extended to, the date, but it does need to get back up above $1. So Sundial stock has been highly volatile, especially because its value is based more on shareholder sentiment than company fundamentals. Sundial shares have been in the spotlight lately due to its risk and of delisting from NASDAQ exchange. Sundial shares have failed to trade below $1 for more than 10 consecutive trading days in the last 180 days. One way to avoid delisting would be to do a reverse stock split. That's how we got screwed on Hexo and ACB. I just did a video on ACB or Aurora and Canopy Growth. This would involve merging the company's shares with the aim of forming a smaller number of shares in the float, decreasing liquidity and proportionally increasing value. A reason why its stock is below $1 can be explained by aggressive dilution of its shares from 105 million in 2020 to more than 2 billion in 2021. And I've seen this one trade in the hundreds of millions of shares at a time. At one point in time, I believe it was trading at 1 billion or 2 billion shares. So, one way to definitely move a stock. However, the company's management has already warned that it plans to repurchase about 79.6 million worth of its common stock, with the stock being under pressure to increase its share price in a short period of time, coupled with the strong popularity of Sundial stock coming mainly from Reddit forums. In addition, news related to legalization in the United States could boost MJ stocks in general, which I've made several videos on as well. Next is, I'm just going to call it DD, I don't know how you say it, DIDI Global, DIDI. Company market cap above 20 billion can be a penny stock, such in the case of a Chinese technology and mobility company, DIDI. DIDI with shares worth $4.31. Company was the target of a major backlash over its delisting from New York Stock Exchange late last year, marked by conflicts between Beijing and Washington over regulatory clampdowns. DIDI had a much hyped $4.4 billion IPO on the New York Stock Exchange and then saw its shares collapse after Beijing threatened to ban DIDI's app in China due to broken privacy laws and potential cybersecurity risks. So This one could be a risky one, so if you don't like China stocks, I would stay away, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just stating my opinion on the article here, and looked kind of interesting. So, investors can buy shares of DIDI via ADRs, American Depository Receipts, which are certificates issued by the United States that represent shares of a foreign stock. However, the type of investment can generate double taxation for investors, the main disadvantage of an ADR. I ran into this problem with Alibaba, ticker BABA, and since then sold Alibaba. I think it was a $38 ADR on my TD Ameritrade account, and I was like, oh, there goes my profit, so I just sold it. I sold Baba for a profit, but just didn't want to deal with it, so just got rid of it. I don't own any, well, besides Neo, Xpeng, and Li Auto. That's the only China-related stocks that I have. Buzz around the uranium market has been taking hold of the stock market, especially in the last year, touted as an industry of the future, where nuclear energy is seen as a source of decarbonized fuel. Uranium stocks have generally doubled in value. So, the leading uranium ETF, the Global X Uranium URA, Get Global X Uranium ETF report has risen as much as 96% by 2021. However, for those who like stock picking, the penny growth uranium stock may be an option. Uranium Energy Corp UEC, Get Uranium Energy Corp report, is a company with subsidiaries focused on its exploration and processing of uranium and titanium in the United States, Canada, and Paraguay. With a current, always got to give you something to laugh at here, so with a current market cap of $857 million and shares valued at just over $3, Uranium Energy has not generated any revenue in the last 7 years and has not produced any uranium yet. So something to consider with this one. Yet Uranium Energy has a healthy balance sheet with $93 million in cash, has plans to acquire new companies in the uranium active production sector with the aim of generating immediate revenues. Global uranium market is projected to reach a value of $10.18 billion by 2022, as uranium is a powerful source of energy. So I just thought this was a interesting article. Again, the three are Uranium Energy Corp, ticker UEC, DIDI or DD Global, however you say it. You can make fun of me in the comments, I don't care. So DIDI, DD, DIDI. And of course our favorite, love to hate, hate to love, however you want to put it. Yes, I still have shares and I will not sell them until it gets back above $1, so get my money back. It'll go back up, so don't know when, but, and again, Sundial. So there you have it, the 3 top penny stocks for 2022. If you have any other favorite penny stocks, you can list those in the comments, along with any other videos you want to see, or EVs, MJ, or what have you. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.